La, 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 la. We're still not drawing the rectangles. Everyone's dead. It's apparently going to be a very difficult game. No. Show debug message, active string. Let me go to game over text. No, not text box, my bad. It's gonna be in game text. Let me undo that, because... Okay. Okay. Think, think. Help! Yeah, that was it. Running time and time and time and time again. It shouldn't be creating that. Where was I just now? Generate room? Yeah. It exits. How do I do this just once? Create text box should only work. Create text boxes in text box functions. Create text box. So it's something with my loop. My loop is constantly calling it. Can I do that with options? I wonder. Game text. The story ends here. Not game end. Let's actually do both of those. Don't create multiple, please. Dead. Shit. Oh my god, that's a bug. Fuck. Okay. Let's go with tab page. Okay, and home and global dot such goofy shit in here. Global dot. Game order count equals 1. 0. Okay. Okay. Do that. And go to generate room, was it? Yeah. Total actors is equal to 0. Brackets, enter brackets, tab, all of them are game overed, and then increase the loop by 1. I could just do ++, it's faster. Okay. So now, that sets it right here. Heck yeah. Yay! Real simple. Real simple. Oh, yeah, bomb you guys. Good job. Title page. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, no, I need to... go back to the room title screen. Shit, no, I just need to exit. I just need to exit. Just kill the fucking game. I don't know how to make it exit yet. So, whack. Okay. Good enough. Okay. You. Everyone's dead. End game. Okay, now I don't have to deal with those bugs. I don't have the time. I have 2 days for this game jam. I am burying bugs like they live underground. Okay, I know about that. I don't care. Goodbye. Okay. Ugh. Let's go to O settings, actually. And let's do it in cleanup. Because that makes sense. Okay, known bugs. Is a mess. That's just killing the game. What other bugs did I bury? We'll just keep track of them. Okay. O settings, we will hide our shame. Okay. We buried some other bugs on this stream, but I can't remember what they are. If anybody in chat wants to help me out, feel free. I also need to get rid of those debugs I threw in. Those were here. Okay. Let me actually double check this. Okay. Okay. Zero's fine. That one comes back. This clicks here. It should... Ah. Previous click is there. Okay. So it is storing it in the top option. That's stored it, huh? So the print comes through, then it changes it to -1. So the double click does... Actually, let me double check that. Okay, click, 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 click. Okay, double clicking does set it to 0, but I need an exit. Oh, I need an exit. Exit, exit, exit. That's what I was missing. Exit. Good thing I just figured out what those were. Okay. Sets it to 1. Previously was 1. Was not 1. Sets it to that. So at the end, it's still always on. Actor ID is equal to 0. I have it where the actors disappear. Is this gonna impede any of that? Because if they're dead, they shouldn't be able to be clicked on due to other code. I think I can get away with this. Yeah, because that was redundant. Oh, that. I had a different click for a second. These should probably be if else, but whatever. Okay, so those were not needed. We don't need if is a live check. Okay. Else. If door index equals arbitrary range for doors. Should debug selected door. So the selected door is not equaling -1 when I select on something else. Let me do... Okay. Let me find what calls screen select and click. I think it's O block. Yeah. Okay. O block. Text ID. Else if shit. Oh, yeah, okay. Else if right click. I don't even need else. If mouse click right. Oops. If mouse click 1, 2, 3, 4 right. -1. -1. Ooh, 0, 1. Okay. Screen clicked. Screen clicked was a part of generate room. Or ID equals -1. Brackets. And blah. Okay. Cool. Show debug messages, that's fine. This will set both of them to... Oh, that's a freaking issue. Oh no. That's part of the issue. I need to do this in 2 different loops because I'm a freaking goofball. Okay. ID, because these can't be the same check. Actually, those can be, because if you double click, you can remove the door. But either way, this will be selected in there. That will clear everything out. If it's less than 0, none of that will strike. Okay. Cool. Excellent. Let me check out my message real quick. Okay, cool. Cool. Everything's up. Everything's good to go. Got Ren Fair going on this weekend. Everything's sorted there. Okay, back to nothing. Nothing. Open that. Oh, open this. Jesus Christ, what the hell's going on? Okay. Okay. We're in. We're back. Okay, we can right click to deselect, which is very nice because now we can do more than one click without the system breaking. Okay. Okay, and I want an icon. Give me sprite, sure. Actually, this is not going to be a placeholder. This will be straight up what the sprite is. Mouse. Buttons. Sprite. Mouse. Almost put in moose. Okay. Edit image. Take that down to 32, maybe 16. Let's see what we can do with 16. Okay. Give me gray. Actually, give me darker gray even yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pop, 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 pop. Oh, no, shit. 2, 2, 1 more. You know what, we can just make this very rounded. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, and then that's that color. Fill in that. Fill in that. Okay, save that. Oh, beautiful masterpiece. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Gameplay loop. Create. Object. Oh. Nope. Oh. Graphic. We'll just do mouse. Graphic. Mouse. Not an elegant way to do it, but whatever. Spray mouse. Okay. Title, gameplay room. Okay, how obvious is this? Okay. Okay, that works. Story ends here. Everyone dies. Okay. Oh, when the door's selected. Okay, now we need the hover. I need the hover to figure this out. Okay. So, click box. Hover details here. Okay, we're finally to this point, which is great. Oh no, we need the rectangle still. Shit. Because how do we know what ones we have selected? Fuck. Okay. Hover text. Okay. No, let's get that rectangle. Each step. If text ID is equal to global actor or text ID is equal to so we got this. This works. So text ID is equal to selected actor. Show debug message. Drawing rectangle. F5. This should just blast out messages. Oh, this normal guy. Drawing rectangle. Not drawing rectangle. Drawing rectangle. Okay, so there's something up with this draw. Okay. Let me do C yellow, C white, C yellow, C white. Whoops! Don't hit enter. Outline true. 4 should be huge. Ah, missed it. Rectangle. Should be. No, except this should be that. Sprite width does not change. Okay, let me do Shift and Control V. That's what it was. Let's start fucking with stuff. It's 32. It's 32. 5. No. Okay, click. It's not drawing. Draw sprite. Fine. Let's do this. Sprite index equals sprite sassy close. You can close the mouse. Where's that? Oh, nice job. Okay. Sprite index equals that. F5. Okay. Okay, so that works. It's just my draw rectangle sucks. Okay. How do I do this? How do I add a sprite? Draw. Arrow buttons, circle. Whoopsies. Draw sprite. Let's do this. Sprite. Okay. Subimage 0. X. Y. Okay. Let's do that. Delete that icon. Let's see if this works. Wow. Rectangle. Okay. Zero, then 0. F5. Why? Is it the depth? Okay, let me see if I can Google this. GML, how to draw a highlight background. No. How to draw a sprite outline. Sprite spelled with not a sprite. Use a shader, draw multiple times with slight offset. Oh, slight offset's not a bad idea. How can I draw an outline around a sprite? I fucking hate the GML community. It's just so slow to load. Outline sprite. No, I don't care about that. That's not correct. How about this? It should be rectangle, but that's not working. Can we do draw underscore rectangle extended? Oh. Can, but it doesn't have depth. Four, page not found. Gotta love it. I guess that's what a shader is. I guess I don't know the exact definition for a shader, but that's not how I expected it to work. 14-minute shader tutorial. Fuck all. Okay, let's pump through the shader tutorial.
Same old
I
phone.
don't want... Nope. Mute. I don't want ads. I don't need ads on here. I've already got ads. Holy shit, a second ad? Come on, guys. Skip, thank you.
Effect from my intro to shaders
This is
video.
from
Now,
Sarah Spalding,
if you haven't watched that video,
S-A-R-A space
I recommend
Spalding,
watching it.
S-P-A-L-D-I-N-G.
Goes over a lot of what shaders are and how they work, which I won't really be covering in much detail again. And here is our excitable little ghost friend again.
Okay.
He has once again volunteered very bravely to be the guinea
This is the
pig
guy.
for this tutorial. We're going to be drawing a single
Why is
pixel
this glitching the
outline
fuck
around
out?
him, just using a very simple shader. It's just an object with a sprite just plonked in the middle of the room, zoomed in a bit. And that's all I've got going on here.
Pause. Why is that doing that?
Thing you will need to do if you're doing an outline around
No
a
idea
sprite
what
using this method is you need to make sure there's room in your sprite to be able to do so.
What the fuck? Okay, you're just gonna have to deal
So
with it.
you'll
I'm sorry
notice,
for the spastic bullshit.
in here, like, I've got loads of like excess space around it. I've got more than I need, really. Find the texture group that has your particular sprite in it. So this is our ghost.
Oh, this is a whole lot of shit I don't want.
Texture groups. Find
Fuck it. Okay. Oh, settings. Drawing selected. Sprites needs a shader. Not the sprite index. Change mess. I jury rigged. Gross. Okay. So I'm just going to do this. Sprite character, sprite lobby actor. Duplicate. Actor to door. Duplicate. Door to edit image. Clear state white. 3. Oh, 3. I actually like that. Let's keep that in there. 3. That does. Okay, cool. And then, okay, just give me the line. It'll be fine. Shit. Balls. Okay. I think I want that. Just make it extra bold. Very easy to see. Save. Okay, I should have done that on another layer. God damn it. You. Duplicate layers. Layer 2. Outline. Okay. We go to this. Delete. Delete. Alt, Control C. Good. Then Control Z, 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 Z. Click a single dot. Z, 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 Z. Nope, not a layer. God damn it. Delete group. Add a layer. Outline. Just kidding. I didn't want to take that. Outline. Okay. Bing. Bing. Excuse me. Bing. Fucking. There. Save. Okay. Do that. Door. Edit image. Add a sprite. Layer. Outline. Okay. Draw this here. And this. Let's make this gray. No, can't do gray. What about here? Good. Save. That is sprite. Save. Okay. And then now that's out of here. That's out of here. That's out of here. Let's go to here. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Graphic mouse we don't really need. Settings is only when we need it. Door selected, perfectly fine. Door weapon, don't need that. I do need object game controller. Traverse. Hover tags, draw sprite. Draw sprite index. We're just gonna fuck this thing up. Shift and delete. Give me the full window. This is driving me nuts. Okay. You. Let's see. Control V. Door. _2. _2. Okay. Text ID is less than that. Brackets and brackets. Okay, text ID start with actor, good. Text ID is in the 200s. Brackets and brackets. Okay, F5. This should do it. This is a horrible, janky way to do it. This normal guy. Heck yeah. Okay. Oh, 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 and they're all dead. Okay. So, once that gets going, it destroys everything. So we have select. We need to get it so it doesn't run through everything. Okay. Hover text. We definitely need hover text. Oh, man. Okay, before this, the game can't go on if I don't traverse through all the rooms. So why is it popping through all the rooms? This traverse room is done. Traverse room. This traverse room. Traverse rooms. Traverse rooms in game controller. It keeps running it and looking for the next one. So when it does this, give me the view. Okay, that. This should fix it. Because when those select will go back down to -0, that will run through it once. Okay. You. Good. Well, and you should die. Must have been a partial. I gotta check how many deaths there are. Okay, drawing rectangle needs to go away. Should be that message. Out of here. F5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Death. Okay. Okay. Death. Death is part of generate rooms, I think. Count. Death. Count. Plus. Okay. But I want on object game controller, I believe. No, we'll do settings. Settings create. Okay, and then oh, that was in generate room. Ten friggin' fruit fly. Okay. He's just buzzing around. Get out of here. Definitely a One Punch Man kind of thing. Hidden screen. Game actors generate. Excuse you, I saw you. Okay. Room, death, where's the game over call? Game over. Or game actors global equals global dot actor count. I think that's what it is. Should be in there. Yep, out there. How about those settings? Actor count. Yep. Cool. Back to generate rooms. Now it's getting kind of big, so we're gonna do this. Oops, this. So we know it's all in one bracket. So if game over is equal 0 or death count equals that. reset. So it only calls it once. 0, yeah, and that'll reinitialize whenever you die. So, oh fuck. Line 6, not set before reading it board. Line 6 in settings. Oh, god damn it, I'm a fucking idiot. It can equal 0, not plus plus. Heck yeah. Brown, brown. Good. Brown, 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 brown. I don't know why it's killing somebody else off. Uh-oh. Okay. Show dialog message. Deaths. Reverse. Backdoors. Plus. String. Yep. Close. Plus. Brink. Brink. Just do that. Plus. String. Create custom debug string compiler window string plus string plus string plus string. Oh, I don't want extension. Just want the boring one. F5. Each time I traverse a room, it should tell me. Okay. Exit. Didn't even show it. Let me bracket this. Sorry, let me close this, bracket that, comment this. Let's undo that. F5. Let's get some debug messages in here. All actors are dead. Uh-oh. It's not true, because I can see them over here. Oh, no. Because I said that before that. Oh. Just friggin' breaking some goofball. F5. Okay. 7 and 4. Oh. Actor 0-5. Death. So 0-5 should be 1-5. Uh-oh. 1-5. 2-5. 2-5. 4-5. New room, player choose door. Oh, this has to be at the end. Okay. Tap actor index. Actor index. Oh, that's just the index. That's fine. Oh, because it expects it to keep going through. This is not. This is not going to be good. That's first actors. Don't need exit at the end. Here at the end. Okay. Let's try this. Bink, bink. Oh. Shit. Why did that hit? Oh, because I'm fucked up. Let's try this. Dead count equals that. That still had. I guess first death equals 1-5. Take that message out above. Let's try this again. Dink dink. Okay, 1 death, 2 death, 3 death, 4 death, 5 death. Fuck yeah. Okay. And I don't know why it goes until they die. That's a problem. Also, death checks at the top of this function, and enter. So death check is at the bottom of this function. Okay, save. Perfect note. Good to go. Okay, we now have it to where when they absolutely game over, they're fucked, and when they don't absolutely and they just kill all their people, they're fucked. Okay. The doors also need to be removed. Door is explored. Where is F5? Is underscore is explored. This is on generate. That's on generate. Okay. Our door gets pushed to push that to there. Our doors gets to room bar dot doors var.doors has to be updated. What calls this? Because it's going to return this. Generate room is by ClickBox or is it game controller? Generate room. Not by here. Okay, function generate room. Okay, we can drop these out of here. That's done already. These could be out of here. Those could be out of here. Okay. Save. Control F, generate. Function generate room. Var room equals that. It returns it to var room. So, varoom. Varoom.doors. Oh. Varoom.doors. Oh, actor door. Door. Okay, so we do have it. Door equals door. Okay, doors. Oh, that's where that is. No, now a door. God, skipping turn. Hey, Benny. Hi. Yeah, dog. Oh, shake your butt. Oh, shake your butt. Oh, big tail leg. Oh, doggy. Dog. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, how we been? You good? Oh, get your elbow together, you stuck. Oh, you're just so lazy. You want me to carry all of your weight? Oh, dog. Oh, we're going down. You're such a goober. Carry your own weight, you fat muskrat, you. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Benny, have you ever programmed? It's rough. It's a lot of work. Gets your brain all mushy brain. You know what I miss, Benny? Supermarket Simulator. That's what I miss. It's a good game. I want to play more. I'm trying to not play without chat, but it might not work. Might have to play without chat. Don't be mad at me. Don't hate me, chat. We've only got 2 days left. We got 1 day, 22 hours, 11 minutes, and 7 seconds, if my mental calculations are correct. By reading off the timer right there. Okay. Varoom is... Okay. Varoom.doors is explored. Should be a variable. Okay. Okay, let me see here. Excuse me. This is traverse. So traverse means var doors. No. Oh, var room. That's right. Before I fucking hell. Control Z. I thought it. Yeah. Okay. Tab. Okay. Set room to have been explored and for room to no longer be selectable. Okay. Var room dot doors dot shit. Okay, var room dot doors, and if that's generate var room dot doors dot generate. How do I get that value? I'm just gonna ask chatbot. Fuck this. Okay, what is this? This is my video game knowledge? Yeah. Okay. I have this code and I want to check if is explored is, and I want to is true later. How would I call that value? Let's just do that. It's just dot is explored. That seems wrong. Okay. Var dot doors. Did I do this right? Yeah. Var door. Can I just do dot and call it good? Where's my, there we go. Var room dot is explored. Var room dot doors. And that prints out the whole damn array. Doors is an array, so var door? No, not the var room, which it should be doors. God damn it! This is part of the problem with AI. I asked it to help with that, and now it's rooms and doors and fucking stupid inconsistent stuff. It should know always to do doors, but it wanted to think of it as doors to click versus rooms to be in, which does not help me. Dot doors bracket 2, because I think it's the third value. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, third one. True. And that means that's part of the object, I believe. Because OBlock does. No. Wait, yes, because on create. No, text ID. Shit. Position meet. Oh, there we go. Clicked. No. It's not there. Maybe it's in game controller. No, traverse is all that has. It's gotta be just in generate rooms. I hope it's not random every time you click it. Let's see, evaluate rooms. How do we save the rooms? Rooms. I have a way to find this out. Let's run through it. Oh, failed. No compile errors. You're full of shit then. Save 5. Oh, that was weird. Okay, no guy. Heck yeah. Okay. Okay, so we gotta get rid of the extra debugs. They're not serving us. Ooh. 106. Shit. Yeah. The reason why it sometimes kills him off and sometimes doesn't. It's weird it's killing him off. It shouldn't have. It's because the room keeps changing. What calls generate room? I think it's this guy. There we are. So we need either a lobby index or a room array. Oh, my brain's going out. Hi, Benny. Hi, Benny. This is not the time. Love you, bud. This is not the time. Okay, so how can we save the rooms perpetually? It's probably going to be globally because lazy and that's an easy solution. Generate room. Traverse rooms, generate rooms. Traverse rooms is on OClick, right? Screen selection click. No, it's not. It's on game controller, I think. Yeah. which has the selected actor and the selected room. So if that's the case, I could pass that in, or I could just use the global. Oh, nice. Okay. Traverse room goes all the way in. Oh, this should be door. Good catch, me. Thanks, me. Okay, so I could do it here. If you traverse the room before setting those. If click block dot text ID equals selected door plus 100. Oops, that. Bracket ends this. I believe it's instant destroy. I could also make it just not visible. No. Instance. Friggin'. Instance destroy ID. ID is going to be text ID. Text ID. Okay, instance destroy. ID is the instance ID or object instance. Calling set true or false. Let's try that. I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll find out. No, it did not work. Fuck. How do I select that? Traverse room. We can exit if it's already explored. Traverse room. If var room dot door bracket 2 equals true, exit. Var room is not made yet. Okay. Okay, one step at a time. Okay. Okay, we don't need far room there. Oh. This is Get Next Living Actors, so that's a problem. Oh, I could just do this. If global dot act or selected actor is not equal to actor index, exit. Don't run the wrong actor through a room. Okay, F5. Space. I can test that one right away. 5. Fuck me. I'm bored. Oh, right. We knew this with Drake. Okay. F5. Because I need to get that to be a global variable. If it's not already set. It's not generating a room. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, that'd be smart. Put the right symbol. Okay. there, put this number in here. It's gonna be do that plus string pop pop pop. I hate the way it does that. It doesn't do that. Plus colon this plus string temp actor index. Exit. Okay, F5. What do we get? Why are we stuck? Okay, actor 3, room 106. Actor index is 0. Oh? Oh, because the user's there. Shit. This is exiting. It's regenerating that. It's not actually setting shit. Fuck. So it's gotta get the next actor because it's gotta go through the list. Wait, F5. Zero. 3. Come on, run again. That did not count as a death. Why did that not work? Fuck me. That did not game over when it should have. No, let's go there. 2, 3, 4, 5. It always checks one at a time. Shit. Okay, so I need to go into, if that's the message, player choose door. Oh, is that player choose door? Okay, and that's actor index. Let's try this. Does this do it? Door, Ivan, death 0. I should not be checking for next guy. Control Alt, Control C. No, I need you guys to comment for a second. Control C, now do it. Why is this code killing the actors not by selected actor, but in text ID numerical order? That's an issue. You're correct to be confused. Thank you. So that's being good. Is a key mismatch. First rooms is using gallery actors which actors set instead of both actors. Problem is this block. Vector index equals place that with that. Okay. Pretty straightforward. It is decent for debugging. I will give it that. Yeah, it can be used for debugging. Control F, Control V. Okay. So instead of this, blank. We want this equals global dot selected actor. And okay, that's your index. Bot detected. Haha, fuck you. And already automatically deleted it. Appreciate the follow though, Mr. Bot. Okay. I wonder why I threw a bot message. Either you said something stupid and advertised, very likely, or my stuff is wrong. Who knows? Okay, so I don't need this. If temp actor. I think this is going to be bad. Control K. Because this is going to check if an irrelevant thing is already done. Because that doesn't need to happen. If selected actor and traverse rooms. No, I can't do traverse rooms. So, this is going to count up the deaths, and if everyone's dead, it's fine. Someday I'll get that fruit fly. Okay. Okay, let me throw this into chatbot and see what it is. Also remove this. You already used selection. I've selected actors, now you can play index exit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it did. Okay. Okay. Alt, let's see. Okay. In my traverse oh shit. Doors script function are being regenerated when they should be persistent. Okay. Okay, cool. It's really funny because working with AI seems to be like working with a student, like an intern, and you're like, hey, I know how to code better than you, but go ahead and make this project, do your best, and we'll correct it afterwards. You end up having to think about how to process it, tell it the exact processes, and then QC the actual results. And after QCing them, correct them, debug them, and run them again. It pretty much saves on a little bit of typing, but it's not a lot better. Okay, I'm fine with this. O controller, we need to add a couple things. I don't want them in O controller, I want them in O settings. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go back to script generate rooms. Okay. Create event that allows that. Okay, in traverse rooms, replace the line. Bar room, script generate. Traverse rooms. Form script generate. Okay, we gotta. Okay, we gotta kill some of this extra code here. That should debug, that's fine. Actually, nah, we'll delete that. We don't need it. Okay. We're gonna do this. Okay, now to see what it wants. Okay. Yep, this is what I was actually thinking of doing. Thank you for typing it up for me. Bar generate room. Code that out. Wow. Oops. Hey, yeah. Okay. If lobbies generated equals false, which it starts out as, set it to true. We'll actually do that immediately. So I'd rather have that immediately set. And then current lobby. Shouldn't you do current lobby times 8? I think you're forgetting a fucking step, sir. Okay. Then near the bottom after evaluate room choice. choices. Should we set the lobby? Lobby generated. These are probably going to be room generated or room used, if I had to guess, but you don't fucking understand that, computer. We actually don't want this. This helper is not actually going to help. We've already got this. This is exactly what that is. Okay, which is fine. We can manually rewrite that. Okay, function, get a live actor, var count 0. For each of those, go through our actors. So live equals true. So this is going to be a better count, I will admit, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, near the bottom, after script evaluate room choice, increment the usage of lobby if all actors have been used. Okay. Yep, I'm doing this. I know. Thank you. That is an actual fix I need to do. That is this. Oh, because we changed it, didn't we? Current lobby doors. Okay. Oh, current lobby is that. So shouldn't this be? Okay. Just create all the rooms in the current lobby at one time. A for loop. Of global.actor count it is global.actor count, right? Settings. Global.actor count +1. with a minimum of 3 doors. Okay, just create all the rooms in the current lobby for all of that and doors, and save them in the global dot current lobby array. This way can have them all generated on the before the user selects what door, as I want them to hover and know the details prior to clicking them, traversing them. Also need to not show their sprite for the click block they are attached to, so players don't see options unavailable to them. Man, I'm basically just debugging it and then writing down a list of what I want to find and then manually going through anyway. Okay. Fuck you. Also use to see how many players are alive. We don't need a function to be redundant of these comparable variables. Functions. Okay. Also, what else were you doing? How would this be achieved with just modifying layered global variables and then updating Ugh. I feel like I'm just blindly adding code and just shotgunning and seeing if it works, because we're gonna have to debug all the bugs after this. I tried doing a block of, here's all the stuff, do this, and then this, and then this, and then pasted it all in. AI fucking shit the bed, and I was like, okay, now AI, I'm getting this error, I'm getting this error, I'm getting this error, and it's like, oh, change these, and change that, and change this, and it slowly morphed all the shit, and it just turned into like a rat's nest of problems. It is, it has a lot of room to improve, because it will confuse itself and forget details, because it runs out of memory. Because it doesn't know how to parse and prioritize what part we're on in the path. It just takes the whole thing and it's like, okay, and then it ignores random bits because it runs out of memory. And then those bits, it just hopes to get right later, which creates tons of coding errors. Okay. Globalize. Okay, here's this. We're gonna globalize these in host settings. Okay, we have those. Lobby is a structure, that's fine. Makes sense to me. Okay. Script generating rooms with bulk logic. Here's the updated version. Ooh. Here's where we start to gamble, people. Here's where we start to gamble. Because we are just taking this entire chunk and removing it. We're going to do underscore old on this. And then we're also going to do function. Oh, that's probably the wrong move. Yeah, function. So what we did here is we did underscore old so we can keep it, but we can, in this text editor, minimize it and get it out of the way. Because, that's not what I wanted. Minimize. Okay. Now let's add some spaces. Good. Okay. This is kind of like doing a copy of a file and doing underscore old. That's actually how Microsoft does a lot of its archiving for old files, which is something I do as well. Or if it's something I want to get and organize my files for coding, I'll do old underscore and then the file, and that way they're all organized at the bottom, or Z's, that way it's at the way bottom of the list. But that's neither here nor there. Okay, so generate room doors stats doesn't pull anything in, it doesn't need to because it's global. Okay. For I equals that, I is less than actor count plus variable stats, okay. Stats, this and that. For count. Okay, so generate room, got that. Traverse room, adjust it. Only few lines need to be changed. Replace the block. Generate lobby. Okay. Versus down here because it calls generate, has to be below it. Don't need to evaluate living actor, which I don't even use anymore. Kill actor, traverse rooms, there we go. Traverse rooms, it's probably gonna be this. Yeah, that global guy with this global guy. Cab. Lobby is not generating. Generate and set the false. That's fair. All the functions and then set it. Okay. Then mark door as explored after traversal. I believe that's going to be this. I agree with that so far. Optional reset when all actors are used. Absolutely. Okay, U to tab. Okay. With current lobby used plus plus. So every time lobby is used, lobby used is greater than or equal to actor count minus death count. Generate false, so it'll make a new lobby. Cool. Yep, I agree with that. Makes sense. In O-click block. Okay. Okay. Text ID minus 100. Oh. Oh my god, he must have eaten. Oh, look at him slithering around. Oh, he's a dog. Oh. Oh. Such a goofy dog. Oh. Oh. Goofy boy. Okay, so an O-click block and the step or draw. Okay, an O-click block, the step. Give me full sight here. Okay. Destroy code. That's gonna be this. I don't know how to do that, so we're just gonna paste it in. Okay. Because I can just kill that if need be. Okay, so if text ID, yep, is... Oh, if it's... Text ID and... And... Text ID is less than 99. Okay. Text ID minus 100. I like doing the 99s. I just do. Okay. So it's greater than 99 and less than 200. Okay. Variable door index. Door index is set to the actual door index. Yep. Okay. If lobby is generated and current lobby doors, what the fuck is that? Doors bracket? What is this supposed to be, dude? I'll trust it, but I think this is gonna break. that is gonna break. That does not need to have a pipe there. Wow, that's fucked up code. Okay. And door index explored equals true. Equals. That should be true. Because we have it set to true and generate room, don't we? Lobby generated room. Control F explored. We didn't. We set it to actual. Oh no. Okay. So this one's a Boolean. That's fine. Fine with me. We've updated that, is what that means. Oh, is explored as a Boolean, but we have is alive as a string. Okay. Okay. That should work. Summary of what you now have. Let's see. Summary of what we have now is not bugs. Start, we all go in, normal guy, yeah. Okay, we can do. Oh, can't unclick now. Fuck. Error on line 37. Wait, was that line 37 of generate room? It couldn't have been. That had to be line 37 of O block. Oh no. Yeah. Oh shit. That fucked up my unclick buttons. Damn it. Okay. 3. Resulted in death. Hi. Hello, tiny tail wag. Hello. Okay. Okay. 285. Game controller line 8 and 285. Game controller line 8. Was it 185? 285? We'll find out. 185. It's not that one. It's 285. Was it not created yet? I figured that would be a really easy one to figure out, and I did not get it figured out. Variable out of range. Variable index 6 out of range. My stores. Okay. I am getting an index out of range error. Oh, 285. On the following line, script is as below. Let's try that. Help me debug. Thanks for the detailed blah blah blah. Okay, media fix before you call this line. I seem to check. You place more click blocks in the room than there are doors, especially in testing phase. Let me refresh this. Okay. I set 8.0 dot click blocks for rooms in each room. Room dot lobby manually, so they need to be removed if they are higher than the actor count. The amount of doors we are going to generate. I can also manually do this in the click block player. Destroy code if it is less than 99. Text box equals less than 99. Then we don't need this. Give me the full screen. Get over here. Okay. If text ID is less than global dot actor count, is greater than or equal to global actor count F5. Start one with. Yeah, that was easy. We're all dead. Okay, that's all I needed. Trio. Perfect. Fuck yeah. Okay, so then, okay. If, just gonna do that. We already have this. Text ID is greater than door count. Select a door, no. Room. Global. Oh, we don't have a room count for that. Actor count plus 1. Oh, and we want that text index. XD is greater than that plus 1. Or text ID is greater than 3. 2. A 5. No! That's that. That's that. Oh, extra friggin' bracket. No, death of me. Semicolons and brackets. Start. We'll go in 5. Again, 2. That's a problem. That is a problem. Oh, equals or greater than 3. Okay. Oh. Door count. Okay, if door count is less than or equal to, which would mean we need to not keep them. So if, can I do that? And okay, so if the global count is greater than or equal to count plus 1 and doors at least 3. So it's at least 3 and that. So that should be it. 5, so that should be 6 doors. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. I already reversed it. Did not need that. Give me 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Escape. Title page. Start. We all go in. Nope. Back. Tree out. Ho, 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 ho. Crank. Crank. Dead. Okay, cool. Okay. Let me do this. Edit. Dot click swap to have the following code. What should we adjust in the script? I don't think we'll have to adjust much. Okay. Architecture is solid. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Global door. greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so door is not negative, and global selected door is less than the, which I don't give a shit about. I don't need that. Let me just do this. Okay, I've updated this block. I don't give a shit about the exit. Edit, you fucking asshole. Did a minimum of 3 doors for the actor. We need the I'm happy with this addition. Is there anything we need to adjust for this new limit of doors? Since we have a set number now, okay. Based on actors, cleanup of unexplored access doors, reuse physics explored flag, use actor selecting door logic. Okay. XW plus 100. Yep. Door destruction will export if unneeded. Any fix suggestion? Okay. Is live our actor alive? That's gonna be in here, I'm positive. Oh yeah, we can just skip right to that. Okay, so forward, forward. Oh, that's it. Okay. Okay, good call. Old redundant code I had to fix. Okay, what's next? Oh, I have the highlight code. Have the highlight done elsewhere, so we can move past that. Let's do the hover over details. Hover over details for the doors and characters. Actors. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna kill stream and I'm gonna go walk around. Oh. That was a weird. Anyways, 2 more days, which means I have to get it all done tomorrow because it's due 8 a.m. on Thursday. Oh, fuck me. Oh, we're getting close to playable. It's gonna be ugly, but it's playable. But keep plugging away. And I'll get to play games again. Yay.